Hello children, today we are going to learn about healthy eating. So, you all are excited, right? And you know what? We are going to tell you a beautiful story related to healthy eating. So, are you all ready to listen a story? Yes? Okay, let's start. The name of the story is A Hungry Caterpillar. Okay, so let's see. In a dark night, there lay a small and tiny egg on the leaf. Yes, it was a dark night. And then, early morning, there came a warm sun up in the sky, and a little tiny egg popped up and came out a small caterpillar. Okay, see, can you see a small caterpillar? Okay, so now this small caterpillar was very hungry. He was very weak and a tiny. So he started looking for food, and then he went on and he went on to search food. And you know what? What happened? Now, on Monday morning, what did he saw? He saw an apple. On which day? It's a magical Monday. So let's say magical Monday, magical Monday, magical Monday for you. Magical Monday, magical Monday, magical Monday for you. So, a hungry caterpillar saw one apple on Monday and he started eating the apple. He went through the apple and he was still hungry. He was still hungry. So, on Tuesday, on Twinkling Tuesday, Twinkling Tuesday, Twinkling Tuesday is for you. Twinkling Tuesday, Twinkling Tuesday, Twinkling Tuesday for you. And on Twinkling Tuesday, he saw two guavas. It's one and two guavas. So, he was enjoying two guavas and he went through them to eat up all. But you know what, children? The caterpillar was still hungry. He was still feeling like, I want to eat something. So he went and he walked and he walked. And on Wednesday, and you know, children, how was the Wednesday? It was wonderful Wednesday. So, wonderful Wednesday, wonderful Wednesday, wonderful Wednesday is for you. But on wonderful Wednesday, what did he saw? Which fruit is this? Can anyone tell me? Yes, it's Indian berry or jamun. So now he went walking, and then on Wednesday he saw three fruits. Can you see? Let us count. 1, 2 and 3. So he ate 3 Indian blackberries or jamun. Yes, and what is the color of jamun? It's a purple color. Yes? Okay. So now caterpillar ate through the 3 jamuns, but still he was hungry. He was still hungry. I'm still hungry, caterpillar said. So on Thursday, that is Thundering Thursday. Yes? So on Thundering Thursday, the caterpillar saw 4 strawberries. That's yummy strawberries. Let us count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So on Thundering Thursday, Caterpillar ate through 4 red strawberries. And then, now still he was hungry. He was still hungry, more hungry. So he walked and walked. And what did Caterpillar saw? Caterpillar saw some oranges. And you know what? Which was the day when Caterpillar saw the oranges? It was Funny Friday, Funny Friday, Funny Fridays for you. Funny Friday, Funny Friday, Funny Friday for you. So, on Funny Friday, Caterpillar saw 5 oranges. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Caterpillar had 5 oranges. Sweet oranges. But you know what, children? Caterpillar was still hungry. He ate through 5 oranges, but still he was hungry. He was yet hungry. And then you know what happened? After Friday, what comes? It's Saturday. Yes. So, on Saturday, the caterpillar was still hungry. So, he looked forward for so many items. Can you see? Such a lot of items. See, it's a pastry, ice cream, a pickle and a cheese. And here can you see, that's a lollipop, that's a cake piece, sausages, cupcakes and watermelons. So, on Saturday, the caterpillar had ample of items. And later on, now he felt full. So he said, oh my God, I had so many items today. Now I'm full and I can't eat anymore. So now I want to just relax. And he went home and he slept and slept. And next day, again it was bright Sunday. So, on Sunday, what happened? He was now looking here and there, but he was not finding good. Why, you know? Because on Saturday, he ate so many items and now he was full. And he was having little stomachache also. Oh, my stomach is paining. Oh, so now I don't want to eat anything. And still he was quiet and sitting besides the leaf. But you know what? Then he saw a nice leaf, green leaf. So he tried to eat that green leaf and again he slept. Now he became a fat caterpillar. He was no more thin, tiny caterpillar. Now he was fat caterpillar. And now he went home. And inside the cocoon, he wrapped himself. And he started sleeping. And you know, when next day morning, when bright sun came outside, he was no more cocoon. He was no more tiny caterpillar. He pushed that cocoon and he tried to come back outside. And you know what he became? He became, see this cocoon, he was very fat. Yes, now he pushed himself. And what did he become? He became a beautiful big butterfly. Can you see a colorful butterfly? Do you love butterflies? They are so colorful butterflies. A tiny little insect became a big butterfly. Yes? So children, you should eat always right things. When you eat right things, you grow, you become strong and healthy. And wrong things make you feel stomach ache. So, you are going to eat healthy things. Yes, you are going to eat healthy things. And here we end with our Hungry Caterpillar story. Hope you all enjoyed it and learned something great out of this. For today, let's say bye-bye.